As you should know by now, we've flown back to England for a brief time over winter, with plans to resume our sailing adventures from around March time. However, there are still a few videos documenting our adventures to the Mediterranean, so be sure to tune back in after Christmas to see where we ended up and how we got there.
Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season.
Merry Christmas, everyone!
Merry Christmas.
So as you guys know, we have had the best year ever. We've had the time of our lives. We've done so much more than we even expected, and we're just super grateful for everyone that's supported us by watching our videos, commenting, liking, all that kind of stuff, buying us coffees and just getting in touch. And we're just so grateful, and we're really glad that we've been able to inspire some of you and that we've just gave you some entertainment basically while we've been living this adventure of a lifetime for ourselves. So as you know, we've really enjoyed filming and taking photos of our journey, and we thought it would be an interesting idea to offer you guys some of those images. So we've selected some of our favourite images that we've took throughout our journey so far, and we're going to share them with you guys so you can download them for free. All the information is in the description, or maybe we'll put it on the screen, I don't know. And you can download these images for whatever you want, basically. Use them however you want. We're going to put all different formats in the description, so you can download them to print as pictures or as screensavers for your phone, for your laptop.
And don't worry, they're not all just going to be our faces.
Yes, as much as you would want this on a t-shirt.
It's
Do your best t-shirt face. Merry Christmas. And we're going to put this on our website as well, so it's not just a now one-time thing watching this video. You can go to our website at any time and download these, and we'll keep updating them every now and again as well. You would have already seen our recent update video, so you guys know where we are now. We are obviously back in England at the minute for winter, but we will be back in around March time, I think. Lots more big adventures coming then. There's still a couple more videos of our journey to the Mediterranean after this video, so it'll be kind of resuming the timeline of us cruising from the Mediterranean from this video for a few more. And then you'll be back on real time, and we're gonna do a couple more informative videos, and then more or less we'll be getting back to the Med. Yeah, we're just super excited for next year, and a whole new set of videos, whole new set of adventures.
We've got some really cool plans. As some of you might already know, we have a little bit of an exciting thing happening early next year in February. We're actually going to be a part of the BOATLIFE boat show at the NEC in Birmingham. So we're going to be there as part of a live panel on the 20th.
Yep.
But we're also probably going to try and get there some of the other days, and we'll just be wandering around and meeting people and talking to some of the awesome people that are a part of the show as well. So yeah, if that's something again that you might be interested in, check out in the description, and there'll be some more information about the BOATLIFE boat show at the NEC.
We're super excited about that, nervous and really excited. We can't wait.
So yeah, breaking the fourth wall here, talking to a camera. I don't feel too as nervous as when we first started. Yeah. Talking in front of a lot of people. Totally different game. Yeah. It's going to be interesting.
But yeah, we're nervous but really excited.
Super excited.
You have to push yourself out your comfort zone sometimes for these new experiences, don't you?
Yes. And it's such a privilege to be a part of.
It is really.
It's a brand new boat show, so we really have good expectations.
And there's so many cool companies there, and a lot of the cool sponsors of the event, so there'll be a lot of interesting people to meet there, and some companies that we've already spoke to as well are going to be there, so we can kind of pick their brains about some products we use and stuff. But yeah, that pretty much wraps this up, and Basically, just have an amazing end of your year. Enjoy the holidays. If you celebrate or don't celebrate, just have a great end of your year. Thank you, and we'll see you soon.
Bye.
Bye.
Merry Christmas.
Bye. Also, this is Coco. Isn't she just the most beautiful doggy in the world?
Yeah, she is.
Oh, she's so lovely. You're so lovely. You're the loveliest doggy in the world. Yes. Oh no.
Oh no.
Oh, no.
Just like I'm done, guys. See you later.